The more you try to explain yourself, the less powerful you sound. And people feel it before they understand it. Over-explaining is rarely about clarity. It is about fear. Fear of being misunderstood. Fear of being rejected. Fear that if you do not justify yourself enough, you will lose connection. Stoicism sees this pattern clearly, and it does not confuse it with honesty. From a Stoic perspective, attraction is not created by words, but by presence. Epictetus warned that when you depend on others to validate your reasoning, you surrender your inner authority. Explanation becomes excessive when it is no longer meant to inform, but to secure approval. Psychologically, over-explaining is a stress response. When uncertainty appears, the nervous system seeks control through language. You repeat your point. You add context. You clarify tone. But each added layer communicates something unintended: insecurity. People may not articulate it, but they sense the imbalance. Notice the behavioral pattern. You explain your boundaries instead of stating them. You defend your choices instead of owning them. You anticipate objections before they are voiced. What looks like transparency is actually self-negotiation. And attraction erodes where self-trust is missing. Consider a real-life example. Someone asks why you need space. Instead of answering once, you deliver a full narrative: your schedule, your emotions, your reasons. The listener nods, but respect quietly drops. Not because your reasons are wrong, but because your presence dissolved into justification. Stoicism teaches restraint, not silence. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself to act without needing applause. A Stoic explains when explanation is useful, then stops. They do not chase understanding. They allow others to respond, or not, without filling the silence with self-defense. Here is the actionable practice. The next time you feel the urge to over-explain, limit yourself to one clear sentence. State it calmly. Then pause. Observe the discomfort without repairing it. This trains your nervous system to tolerate uncertainty and rebuilds presence through restraint. When you stop explaining yourself excessively, something shifts. Conversations slow. Your words carry more weight. People lean in, not because you convince them, but because you remain grounded. This is Stoic presence, not loud, not defensive, but quietly unshakable.